Hello friends, welcome to E-Class. Myself Smita, teacher. Students, open your maths textbook, page number 69. Measurements, world problems. These are the world problems we have to solve it. First example, one round of the walking track in the park is 250 meter long. One round of walking track in the park is 250 meter long. Ajit's grandfather walks that 4 times every morning. 4 times, that means he make 4 rounds. How many kilometers does he walk every day? You have to find how many kilometers he walks every day. We will see this example on blackboard. See students, one round of park is 250 meter. Then how many rounds Ajit's grandfather walks that path 4 times every morning. How many times he walks? 4 times. That means again 250, again 250 and again 250. In this way 1, 2, 3, 4 times he makes the round. So 4 times word have come here. So we have to do multiplication. 250 multiplied by 4. We know this answer. In both numbers there is 1 0. So write 1 0. This 1 0 I have written here. Now 25 multiplied by 4. 25 fours are 100. That means 1000 meter he walks. But they have asked the question into kilometer. Therefore he walks 1 kilometer every day. Why 1 kilometer I have used here? Because 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. It is our note. And see, 1000 answer came, so we can write instead of 1000 1 kilometer. Got? So we will see the second example. Sulbha bought 4.5 meters of cloth. 4.5 meters of cloth. She divided it into 5 equal lengths and gave them to 5 friends. How much clothes did each friend get? See, she divided 4.5 meter cloth into 5 equal parts and gave to 5 friends. Then how much cloth did each friend get? See, first we have to convert this meter cloth into centimeter and then divided by 5. Okay, here all basic knowledge you are going to use. Division and conversion of meter into centimeter. Okay, we will see on blackboard. See students, Sulbha bought 4.5 meter cloth. Okay, 4.5 meter cloth. First convert meter into centimeter. 1 meter is equal to how many centimeter? Did you remember our note? Yes, 100 centimeter. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Now 4 meter is equal to 400 centimeter. Half meter is equal to, do half of this 50 centimeter. Now 4.5 meter is equal to 400 plus 50. That means 450 centimeter. Now we got total cloth into centimeter. We have converted 4.5 meter cloth into 450 centimeter. In centimeter we have converted because we can't divide this 4.5. 4.5 divided by 5. Can you do? No, we can't do, so we have to convert it first. Now we can do division of 450 divided by 5. Why I am dividing here 5? Because Sulbha is giving 4.5 meter cloth equally to the 5 friends. So division is there. 450 divided by 5. 5 on the 5, 5 to the 10. Write down here 5 table. Then it is easy to understand. Okay. This is 5 table. Now see, listen carefully. Division. First consider 4. 4 is smaller than 5. So it will not come in 5 table. Now take next number. 45 we have. Do we have 45? Yes, we have. At what place? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 5 nines are 45. 0, 0. Now take this 0 down. 0 divided by 5, answer is 0. It is remainder. So each friend will get 90 centimeter cloth. Therefore, each friend will get, otherwise got, because how much cloth got? Each friend got 90 centimeter cloth. Okay. In this way, you have to solve the example. We will see example number 3. Example number 3. If 1 liter of petrol costs ₹70, how much do 2.5 liters of petrol cost? You have to find the cost of 2.5 liter petrol if the cost of 1 liter petrol is 70 rupees. Okay, we will see it on blackboard. See students, the cost of 1 liter petrol is equal to rupees 70. Now what they have asked, 2.5. The cost of 2 liter petrol is equal to rupees 70 plus 70. That means 140. Rupees 140. Now cost of half liter petrol. What is, do half of this? 35, 70. Make half of 70. That is 35. Rupees 35. So the cost of 2.5 liter petrol is is 140 plus 35. That is, what is do addition? 5, 7, 1. Horizontal addition you can do. 5, 7, 1. Rupees 175. Okay, this is your answer of question 3. Question number 4. Jenny bought a 1/4 kilogram of burfi, 1/2 kg of chivda, a 1/4 kilogram of sev, and 3/4 kilogram of jalebi from a shop. What was the total weight of her purchases? Now we have to convert all these into gram and then we can find the total weight of things. See students, Jenny bought a 1/4 kg of burfi. 1/4 kg of burfi means find it into gram. That means 250 gram. 1/2 kg of chivda. That means 500 gram. 1/2 kg means 500. A 1/4 kg of sev. Again 250 gram sev he bought. Again 250 gram sev she brought. 3/4 kg jalebi. Jalebi how many? 3/4. That means 750 gram jalebi she bought. So you have to find the total weight. Total weight. How to find? Do addition. First convert it into gram and now do addition of this. Do addition. 0, 0, 0, 0. Answer is 0. 5 plus 5 plus 5. 15. 1 will be carrying over. 2 plus 1, 3 plus 5, 8 plus 2, 10 plus 7, 17 gram. So total weight is 1750 gram. So how to give answer? What was the total weight of her purchases? You can write in kg also, otherwise in gram also. The total weight of her purchases is purchases is 1750 gram. So in this way you have to solve example number 4 in notebook. Question number 5. Wasim's school started at a quarter past 12 in afternoon and finished at half past 5 in the evening. If the break was for half an hour, how much time did the children spend in the classroom? How much time children were in the classroom you have to find. See students, here school started at 12:15. That means 15 minutes past 12. Quarter past 12. School finished at half past 5. That means 5:30 evening. And break it is for half an hour. So half an hour break, that means for 30 minutes, because 1 hour means 60 minutes. That means half an hour means 30 minutes. So in this way we have found the time. Okay. Now you have to find how many children were there in the classroom. This 30 minutes you can cut from this 30 minutes. Okay. Now 12:15 till 1 o'clock 45 minutes. Till 1 o'clock after school there will be 45 minutes. That means 1 o'clock. 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4, 4 to 5. That means children were there into classroom 4 hours 45 minutes. Got? See, till 1 o'clock, after school started, till 1 o'clock, there are 45 minutes. Right? There are 45 minutes. 45 minutes they were in the classroom. After 45 minutes, there will be 1 o'clock. 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4, 4 to 5. These are 4 hours. So children were in the classroom 4 hours and 45 minutes. Therefore, the children spent 4 hours and 45 minutes in classroom. Okay. In this way you can solve the answer. You can logically, you have to think for these examples, then only you will get the answers. Next example. Sharad went to his friend's place on a motorcycle. When he started, the reading was 19,235 kilometers. When he reached his friend's place, it was 19,301 kilometers. How many kilometers did Sharad travel? You have to find this answer. See students. Students, you have to ask your parents the meter reading of your two-wheeler. On the handle there is 1 meter which shows the speed, and the meter or reading which is how much your parents have traveled the vehicle. How much kilometer the vehicle is travel. It is shown by the reading which is present on the handle of the vehicle. Okay. So you have to ask them the meter which shows the distance in kilometer. Okay. So it is the starting point. That means the Sharad went to his friend's place. So Sharad has started here. When he has started, that time reading was 19,235 kilometer. And when he reached to the friend's house, friend's place, then reading was 19,301 kilometer. So how much distance he traveled? How to find this distance? Do subtraction of these two numbers. How to do? Bigger number always write down first, minus. In this way you have to do subtraction. Always start from units place. 1 minus 5. Can you cut 1 from 5? We can't cut, so borrow from neighbors. Neighbors have 0. Again go to neighbors. Give here. Now 9. Take 9. 1 from 9. 1 from 10. So answer is 9. 11 minus 5. Answer is 6. 9 minus 3. Answer is 6. 2 minus 2. 0, 0, 0. What is answer? 66 kilometer. So Sharad traveled 66 kilometer. Therefore, Sharad traveled 66 kilometer. In this way, you have to solve this exercise in your notebook. So, students, I will provide you the images of workbook. You have to complete the workbook and prepare for your unit test. Thank you. Have a nice day. Stay home, stay safe, eat healthy, stay healthy, and study well.